Hello guys, na ako Mama Dani o ako Daddy. Magapalit mi isda to Sugba. What would you say, Daddy?
Hello guys, good morning. I'm
What did
here
you say?
in Cagayan de Oro, the town of my college life here in the city of Golden Friendship. So it feels nostalgic to see the development of this city for, let's say, 1 year, 2 years ago, I would say. But now the development is very fast. Building is like a plant. The road got too much widening and everything else. Morning diversion man, no?
Ma, what would you say?
Hi, good morning. I'm so happy that my son na bagan, my son.
Yes, I'm so happy,
Jandi,
guys, that
Jandi
I am here with my
and his
mother, the
Sapo,
Australian mother, sometimes also the American mother, because she's going. She's been in America, and she has been in Australia recently. She just arrived, came back home. So I'm so happy that I see my mom. I am with my mother that I love so much. Thank you, mother.
Thank
Love
you.
Mom.
So, mother,
Thank you
so-
John.
itong kwan man? Payon sa igpit sa upol? Naman ito diri-dali.
So,
Dili, uy, hay, wira.
No, ito. Ari na ta musulod?
Oo, nakamay out sa palengke, gyud ta?
Oo.
Okay.
Okay, na. You
Dire,
talk to
this is
mother.
the palengke? Oh, I don't know.
This is the palengke, you're right.
Oh, yeah.
You
awat
are
naman ni
correct.
Gaston.
Is this the palengke?
Yes, of course. Yes, this is the palengke.
So,
Tunay na ba yan din ha?
Mama?
Hello,
So, what did you...
everybody.
So, mother.
Mhm.
So, Mama Arden,
Mm-hmm.
what did you do in Australia?
I'm supporting and giving assistance to your Tita Mayor, and also visiting Tita Jel sometimes, because your Tita Mayor is studying and excuse
Wait,
me.
are you meaning she still has school?
Yeah, he is studying for another course. And your two cousins,
Wow!
Kilian